Shalom, sir.
Shalom, bro. How are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
Blessings.
I'd like you to give us a quick introduction about yourself.
It's an amazing time to express the importance of the vision of House of Israel. I'm Apostle Nubiseke, overseer, House of Israel, Port Harcourt, Nigeria.
Now, please, can you also tell us what inspired the creation of House of Israel Early Years and Junior School?
The House of Israel Early Years and Junior School was inspired with a vision to provide quality education that is Torah-based. We believe that we have been called to catalyze a spiritual awakening and to be a bridge through which the next generation can be transformed. So House of Israel Early Years and Junior School stands as a unique school, unlike every other school that is built upon secularism. We are founded upon the commandment of the Most High, and we actively teach the Torah aspect of the Holy Scriptures.
Interesting. So, what does, from your point of view, from your perspective, personally to you, what does House of Israel really mean to you?
House of Israel is, to me, a creation of Elohim, and it is doing the same thing House of Israel Early Years and Junior School is doing, to provide biblical literacy to a generation that is void of the knowledge of the scriptures. And so we believe that by actively playing our role to be a transforming agent, House of Israel can become a bridge through which many can be discipled in the way of the commandment of Elohim and experience his blessings in their lives.
Interesting. So, further questions. We'd like to know the values and the principles for which the House of Israel Early Years and Junior School is built upon. The core values and its principle.
The culture, one of the things I believe is the unique culture House of Israel Early Years and Junior School provides. Number one, we will focus on character development. It's clearly known across the nations of the world that Nigeria stands as one of the most corrupt nations in the world. And so we believe that apart from providing academic knowledge, we are also driven to provide character development. So House of Israel Early Years and Junior School is at the crossroad of meeting the need of the deficiency in character. We want to be the cure to the cancer of the loss of ethics in our nation. So our pupils who enroll in our school get to experience character development foremost because we're able to utilize the Torah to teach them the core value of the scriptures, which is the 10 commandments. And we believe that for pupils who will adhere to the instructions of the commandment of God stated clearly in the 10 commandments, they will experience that character transformation. And then they will also experience the intellectual development, because I believe so strongly that the new era we are in requires children with a strong basis in intellectual integrity. So House of Israel not only provides the character development, we are also going to be pioneering intellectual edge for our children. So every child who enrolls in this school is guaranteed a structural life based on the fear of God and a clear intellectual development.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Does all of what you told us now, is it what makes the school different from others, or are there other values and principles that makes the school stand out?
Yeah, their core values, like I said, the foundation is the fear of God. And when we speak of the fear of God, we are speaking about a systematic approach. For example, doing our classrooms are tailor-made, and every instructor in every classroom are men and women who have the fear of God, and they are passionate educators. And they are passionate and compassionate educators who teach with empathy and who are concerned with the learning pace of the child. And also we merge spirituality to learning. Alongside just coming to classroom, we have weekly chapel services where our pupils get to pray, they get to seek the Lord. We also have innovative edge when it comes to ICT up. Where right now we are an institution operating with high level state of the art intellectual equipment when it comes to IT, AI. We operate with AI technology. Our pupils all are encouraged to get laptops, and so we not just do examinations on papers. Our pupils are also informed about the use of ICT or the CBT equipment to do the examination. So we have pupils who are not just outdated. We our best efforts to make sure our pupils are current and they are moving with the current innovative edge in the global world right now.
Wow, that's great. Now, we would like to know how does these values show in the students daily, in their everyday life, or is it a values that will probably show up in the future and how it will also show up in the future?
Now, for most school, the goal of learning is for examination. They learn to pass examination. But to us, learning is for life. We are preparing our pupils for a lifelong learning. There is no end to learning. And so by raising and creating the curiosity in our pupils, they're able to develop a culture to love learning. And when pupils love learning, they're able to carry on by doing their homeworks, by doing research. They're able to be independent learners. In the absence of a teacher, learning can continue because why? They are now inspired learners.
Great, great. So this moves us to a section where we'll be asking about their growth and the growth of the school and the leaders and the vision. So the next question is, what kind of leaders are you hoping that this school will raise? What kind of leaders? What leaders of today, leaders of tomorrow? What kind of leaders are we hoping that will see comfort from this school?
Now, our prayer is to raise leaders who are tailor-made for the needs of Africa. The current learning process has been westernized, so people learn to be Western. If we can raise children, young people who embrace their national mindsets and who are braced with the current economic, political, and spiritual decay, they're able to be inspired to learn to fix national problems. As we speak right now in our nations, learning has not been tailor-made to deal with national problems. We have elites, we have experts, but yet we see decadence in our economic values. And so the kinds of leaders we want to raise are Nigerian children, Nigerian pupils who can fix the Nigerian problem, who can fix the African problem. That means there is a need on ground, and our education right now is geared towards raising children who can fix the problem within their nation, within their community, within their region. And that's why research-based school like we are driven towards problem solving. It is not just academic brilliance that ends with writing research, or that ends with examination. It has to be geared towards problem solving, and we are moving towards problem solving, geared towards solving the problem with Africa and the problem with Nigeria.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. So now concerning the parents and students, we have you'll be getting new students coming in. So as they come in, what would you like every parent and student to know about House of Israel?
Leadership.
Leadership.
The foremost thing in my heart for every parent coming in with their children, they must have at the back of their mind that they are called to prepare their children for leadership. And so when pupils come in with a mindset to be prepared for leadership, they're able to shoulder the responsibility of doing their homeworks, neatness, obeying the rules, and the whole process of character development. So if that is in place, parents are able to partner with the school to accomplish the aim of preparing children for leadership.
Um, So thank you very much for giving us the foundation of the school. If through this meeting you've informed us of what inspired the creation of House of Israel, what does House of Israel mean, what it stands for, their principles, what makes the school special, and you've given us the growth and the vision of the kind of leaders we hope to see come out from this